Tell me why you wanted to meet me.
Because I'm interested in learning the most powerful magic that exists today.
Well now, I know the world's most powerful black magic. And I'm the greatest master, the queen of the most terrifying magic there is, the magic! I would accept this young girl. Starting tomorrow, she'll be my disciple. All right, and now the terms.
But how do we know that tomorrow it will be you, and not someone posing as you? We don't know you.
You want to see my face? All right then. But you better look at it carefully. You'll never forget this face. This is my face that you see tonight, young man. But you must remember one thing. My face will change every time I make an appearance. No one will recognize me, as my face is never the same, it's different each time. Oh, that's right. I have heard that in Western custom, when people say goodbye, they shake each other's hands like this.
That's right.
We will part now. I've got to leave, so goodbye. Let us shake hands, Catherine. Tell me why you wanted to meet me.
Because I'm interested in learning the most powerful magic that exists today.